Fourth place goes to the Moulinex Companion XL, reference HF80C30D. Its advantage is not a flashy screen, but the ability to cook larger quantities and keep the appliance for years. The bowl is advertised at 4.5 litres, although usable capacity is 3 litres, enough for a large family. It has 12 programs plus manual mode, works from 30 to 150 degrees Celsius, and allows browning without the lid. The app provides more than 1,200 recipes, but the instructions are not integrated into a touchscreen on the machine. Its strengths are capacity, open-lid cooking, 6 accessories, and Moulinex's 15-year repair commitment. Its weaknesses are the lack of an integrated scale in this reference and a panel that requires more input than guided models. It ranks 4th because it is solid and family-friendly, but less convenient for anyone who wants every step shown on the appliance.